So Jamal, what are we doing today, bro?
Let me show you. Okay, so what we're gonna do is today we're gonna build a battery tray for this Willard 646 battery that we have right here. At the moment, all we have is this back like piece here, and usually what I do is just put the cable tie in here and cable tie it onto the battery.
Cable tie.
Cinnamon for the win. So yeah, I wonder how we're gonna do that.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut out all of this right here, this semi battery tray that they have going on here. I don't know if I can lift the battery up so that you can kind of see what they have going on there. There's nothing going on there. So we're gonna cut everything out, and then we're gonna build a battery tray to slot this battery in perfectly, and then possibly see if we can mount it ourselves as well.
Salutas! So there we go, bruh.
Bro, what you doing, bro?
I'm loosening this battery, man. This battery's in the way, man. I wanna put the supercharger here, Cinnamon.
What? Oh, what? In where?
Nah, in the battery space,
nah.
So yeah, I'm gonna take this out because
So the tray, yeah, the tray that was supposed to go at the bottom of this, eh?
So yeah, I'm gonna take it out, this out first so that Owen can start with the tray, take his measurements. So obviously he needs to know what size the tray is gonna be.
Yeah. Oh. That pipe down! Here we got it. We got it. Shut up.
Signed, sealed, delivered.
So guys, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use this piece of angle iron that I have here, nice solid metal. We're gonna use this to make the frame of the tray. But for now, just gonna take some measurements so that we can get the dimensions of this battery.
Is that a horse outside?
Is that what?
A horse?
A horse?
Yeah, it's a horse, it's a horse.
I thought I heard some galloping going on there.
Yeah. A horse? Oh shit! Is that a horse? What? Is that a horse? Let me just.
25 by 18.
Now Owen's just cutting both, all four pieces that he's gonna cut out. And then obviously he's gonna make 45-degree bends on them to weld them fast. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a plate out to sit right inside that.
Nice.
20 what by 20 what?
What? 25 by?
36.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I feel like we're cutting a.
Here we go. So as you guys can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides
Equals a square.
Let's get down and dirty.
There's a lot of different ways you can actually do this if you're building footing for your battery. So with the tools that we have a grinder, we have a welder. That's all we have, right? So that's a grinder.
Grinder.
The welder is somewhere there, but we have a grinder and a welder, right? So
yes.
If you have tools that can bend metals, what you could possibly do is do this cut here, the 45-degree cut there, the 45-degree cut there. Then you can actually literally just bend this part inwards without cutting it completely off.
Bend it.
Cinnamon. So you can possibly do that if you have the proper tools to do that, but we're obviously using what we have, and what we have is a grinder. So we're gonna grind him off.
Shabba.
A bit fast.
Salute!
Focus, please.
Focus. Hold up. Safety first.
Safety first, brothers.
First.
Safety
There
first.
we go.
That's what I need. like that.
It can definitely work. Yeah.
Nice!
Yeah.
Yeah!
I like it.
You
I like it.
You like it!
You like
You like it! I like it!
I like it.
Oh.
So maybe we should cut out that plate
Yes.
next to fit in
Wow.
there. Away.
That was actually
But let's
beautiful.
okay, so let's see if this battery is gonna fit in the frame that we just cut.
4 sides. 2, 4. Right, Jimmo, you take those 2.
2 plus 2 equals.
5!
Huh? Oh.
Sorry.
Right.
Sir.
So pop this one
And
in.
then ready, steady.
Oh yeah!
Yeah. What are we
That's how it goes. That's how it
What
goes.
we're gonna do now is Owen's gonna tack that 4 pieces together to get us a nice solid piece, and we're gonna take measurements of that and cut out a nice solid piece out of this stick style over here.
Starlings.
Starlings. So
Starly.
I mean, we already cut a few pieces over here, but on the other side. But yeah.
Starnalita.
So Starling, here we come.
So that's nice and square there. Just come out a bit. There we go.
Yo, this one is different, no?
Upside down.
Oh shit. That's the one.
We got it. We got it.
You got it. Prep work is the best. Safety first. What do you say about safety, Jimmo?
You know, in life, you always play it safe. Sometimes you won't be able to enjoy life to its fullest, you know. Sometimes you have to take a risk to get a reward, you know. So, but in this case, when you're welding, always be safe.
Safe. Safe. Sir,
See,
Salutas!
he can see clearly now.
the world is here.
Yeah. He can see clearly now.
Through a screen that protects you. The screen protects you. It goes through
Okay,
so much shit before
okay.
it gets to you. Negative.
Okay. He's a negative.
What's negative? Oh, really?
Negative.
Owen, so you're saying
don't
I'm
look at the screen.
Owen, so wait, then the viewers shouldn't also look at the screen, right? Oh, they look. Okay. It's fast. Neer hot, joh.
What is
Neer hot, joh.
very hot here.
He's hot. He's hot like a. He's hot like a bomb. He's hot like a heater, ne? Like a fire. Like a heater.
45 years.
It's like a bomb. Well,
Should take this thing off?
that's a weld.
Yeah, it's
A
fast.
weld. Grr. Smaak het chicken aan. What did you say? What do you say?
What did I say? What do you wanna?
Don't you want to plug me in?
Do we even need to build a platform for this? Oh yeah, to mount it onto the.
The fuck sound like that?
I don't think so. We'll see how it goes.
I found like water that's running.
Oh, your weld is water cooled. Nice. What? No, what? It must be welded to what?
So basically, that frame alone can go in as is.
You know that now.
I know the song.
Oh yeah.
Please don't do that again.
Sorry. I thought it was that Greek thing, man. Oh, that was the tone. Okay. Oh, what?
Know that.
People.
Different versions of it. Clearly, this. Guess what we got? We got a frame.
Frame. Chicken
That frame.
that frame.
Check it.
Tell your girlfriend we can make frames. Frame. Remake. Okay.
So the red oxide primer,
This is for the rust, eh?
anti-rust.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, corrosion.
Anti-rust.
Anti-karaoke.
You know anti-rust?
Anti-what?
Anti-rust?
Anti-Russian beer.
No.
Oh, oh, you. Seems like you know about Russian beer. I ken hom.
Very well.
I ken hom, definitely.
Jamo, you gonna dial this?
Yeah, little.
I'll hold that.
Lightly salted, and then it comes salty vinegar, no? Heavy.
Double vinegar.
Horse.
I feel like that looks dry already. I don't know.
Wait, nah, it look like dry, man.
You see how the spray is moving when it lands, it's already
Bubbling, bro.
disappearing, bro. I'm just gonna do an inside layer and then again on that spot and then it's good for black. I think that's fast.
It's fast.
I think that's fast. No.
Alright guys, so that's the end of part 1 of the Caddy battery tray build. Please like if you like the content. Please like and subscribe. Please check us out on Facebook. Comment if there's something you want to say. If you want to add some value, please comment. Feel free. And we'll check you out in the next video.